Day 38. So long, you freaks. So it's probably about 9:30. We've gone about 3 miles, I think. It's been pretty easy up to this point. We've got a huge climb, giant climb coming. Once we get over that, it'll be kind of okay again. We're heading into a place called Sam's Gap, which is a hostel there. Where it's close by. They come and grab you real fast and shuttle you into the hostel. So tonight we'll have some semi-town food, which is good because I only have enough food for lunch and that's it. And we'll do a little resupply, sleep in a bed, showers, laundry. We're only like a couple days from Erwin, Tennessee, I'm sorry. So that's the plan for the day. Weather's good.
Uh-oh.
There you go.
What's up?
I haven't seen you guys in a long time.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. How long have you guys been waiting here?
I think I take a short water break here. It's another good view. So it's 1 o'clock. We're gonna stop and eat lunch here at this little gap. I didn't film a ton this morning because I'm trying to kind of hit it hard. We're trying to get in as early as possible to shuttle in because the hostel you have extra chores like showering and extra food, laundry, and that kind of stuff. So I need extra time there. I have just enough in my food bag left for lunch. I can't go anywhere else. It's 2 o'clock. Took about a 45-minute lunch, which is very long for me, but I'm tired. About to hit, I think it's Hog Pen Shelter. It's about a half mile up, maybe a smidge more. Just passing through. We're 3 miles away from Sam's Gap. That's where the hostel will pick us up. A quick health update. I still have a little bit of a cough. Cough a few times a day. Not terrible. I do feel better. Still a little weak, but all in all better. I haven't taken any cold medicine today, so this is the first daytime that I haven't taken cold medicine. This is a little turnoff for Hogback Shelter. We're just passing through. You know some of these characters already. Hey! So... Alright, what, 2 miles left?
Yep, 2.4.
2.5?
To the gap. There's water down here. It's just a bit of a...
There's some little monument of some kind. There's going to be a lot of reading. Appalachian Trail, Sam's Gap, North Carolina. Natural Bowl Springs, Creek Meadows, Jim, Sarah, Mike, and Jim Moyer Jr. of Atlanta recognize this part. I'm paraphrasing, obviously. Manifestation of the glory of the Lord. Inner peace, general rest. You get the idea. It's a big piece of stone to carry this high. You can kind of see it and you can hear it. Car sounds. Also, another update is level of stink. I stink worse today than I have in the entire AT. We've gone, whatever, 4 days without a shower and heat, humidity, a lot of sweat. So,
Dirty clothes.
dirty clothes. Yep.
the last 3 days.
Same socks.
Shoes that need to be washed.
Shoes that need to be washed.
Insoles.
Insoles. Well, I get new shoes in Damascus, so I'm doing good. So it's right a little bit before 4, so it's not too bad. Ideally, I wanted to land about 3, but who cares? An hour, who cares? Okay, it's exactly 4 o'clock. Actually, it's 4:02. All right, so here's Sam's Gap. Here's young man. That is the last of my water, and I have 0 food. So we timed that exactly right to be here on this day at this time.
Even taken a bath or even sat in a creek since they left Springer, honest to Pete. Yeah.
So here's kind of the place. We got this super cool cabin right here, number 4, right on the creek. Door there. Yep. Got our own porch. Look at this thing. How cool is this? Here we go. Pretty sweet. So you saw our cabin. These are the other cabins. There's 4 of them. And then great showers, laundry's back here. People can camp. And the main house here, some outdoor eating. Here's the main room. Keep that mask on. It's the pizza line. Me. 4 back, 3.5 back. About an hour before bed. I'm not moving from this seat. I might go get some ice cream. I love this room though. I love this little cabin. We do have the possibility of rain the next couple days. Strong possibility. That might suck. But we'll have, we're only 2 days into Irwin, and we'll stay somewhere good there, hopefully.